Alright guys, today very quickly I will explain you 3 amazing tips by which you can prevent your data, your device and as well as your applications. So without wasting time, let's get started. So friends, our first tip is about an application having name Find My Device, right? Friends, Find My Device an application by which you can easily access exact location of your device, right? Once you sign up in your phone and after that suppose that your phone is lost, so how will you be able to access location? How will you be able to find your device? So with the help of this application, easily you can access exact location of your device and as well as you can find your device if it may be possible. So this is very beneficial app for finding your lost device, right? And after that friends, in this app you can access many features and one of them erase feature. Erase feature is basically remove the data from your device. So suppose that your phone is lost and after that you want to delete all the data from your device, because friends, anyone knows that how much data is important nowadays. So definitely if your phone is lost, so definitely you want to delete your data, and if you want to delete your data, so make sure that you can use erase feature to delete all the data from your device so that your data will not be leaked, right? Moving to the next one. Friends, the next one is about mistake, right? That mistake made by many people. The mistake is that plug in any randomly charger or plug in any randomly cable on your device. Friends, what happens when our phone's battery gets low and if we haven't our personal charger? So basically we do what? We just connect any randomly plug, any randomly cable on our device. So because of that, make sure that your phone can be hacked or something else, your data can be leaked, because you are giving accessment to that cable to send the data on your device. So please make sure that if you are connecting any type of charger or plug, so that charger or plug should be known by you, that should be secured, right? So this thing is very important to secure your device. Last one is use same type of password in many types of platforms, right? Friends, what happens, many people are doing what? They are using same passwords, right? They are using same passwords in many type of platforms. It may be any WhatsApp password, Facebook, Instagram and any professionally accountant password. They are using same password because they don't want to forget the password, so that's why they are using same type of password. But friends, I can tell you that if you are using like this and once any type of platform of them is hacked or something else, if that platform gets harmed, all the platforms can be hacked or something else, right? They can't be secured. So please make sure that if you use many type of platforms, so definitely you should use different types of passwords so your another platforms will be secured individually. So friends, these types of things I wanted to tell you because nowadays cyber security becomes so much important in any type of devices. So please make sure that you will be using these types of things, and I hope that you like this video. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in this video. Meet in the next video. Till then, be safe and keep learning these types of things. Thank you.